Hello YouTube, how you doing Earthlings? Well, I showed you my shield that I made, and I'm going to be doing a video of me making a clove shield from another sheet of steel behind there, but this video is about a sword that I'm making with absolutely no forging required. I'll show you exactly what I'm making it out of. You'll probably be asking me why I'm making it out of this type of metal, but I've got this aluminium stuff here from a friend gave me. It's obviously a lot longer than this, but you're asking me how could you possibly make a sword out of that? Can you flatten it out or anything? Well, I thought about sort of getting two pieces and bonding them together somehow, and then just cutting off the top bit and then reinforcing the other side somehow. So that's what I did, and yeah, with the help of my new tools that I bought myself a hacksaw, really cheap off eBay, the cheapest one you can possibly buy. Came with a load of new blades, and it does the job perfectly. I've used that blade, I've cut loads of stuff with that so far, and it doesn't seem to have broken down at all. And my other favourite, other new tool I bought was angle grinder. I got a really quite a very poor quality sanding disc on there. I used it for a very short amount of time, and it probably lost most of its use. Got a load of discs, cutting discs with it as well. This is again off eBay. It was about 32 quid, I think. You get a ton of, like I say, you get a ton of cutting tools with it. Not these sanding discs there. I got these from somewhere else, but you get two of those sanding wheels, two of the cutting discs, and two of the really thick cutting discs, and a diamond edge or diamond reinforced possibly metal cutting disc, all for 32 quid, and it's quite noisy. It vibrates quite a lot, but let's just start it up actually. I've got it plugged in. Anyway, it's an angle grinder, and so yeah, my sword. So this is what I've got up to so far. As you can see, quite a way forward with the blade already. So I've I had a couple of attempts at this. Yeah, you can see the this is what's left of the bit that I've cut off. You see, I'm trying to slightly shape it now, and one of the bits that I've cut off, I've flattened down and sort of stuck it on. So I bonded it together really poorly to begin with, and I had to take it all apart and get rid of all the super glue and re sort of flatten it all down and redo it. So I've got so I've ended up with this which is going to take ages to sand down. I was using the sanding disc on my angle grinder to get this, or to do that area there, but I was trying to do this by hand, and I think I'm going to have to rethink that. But this side is shaping up really nice. You can see I've still got a sort of a bit of a I've got a sort of the ridge in the middle. It's not going to have a fuller, which is the dip that comes in the middle. But yeah, it's crusader swords. It's not a modern, more of a modern shaped sword. So it's going to be quite fat at the end here. It's more later swords. They're a lot more pointed at the tip to get into the plate armour. But during this era of sword, there wasn't much plate armour about, and just needed hack and slash really and stab. So yeah, I'm going to be using all types. I'm going to be using lots of sandpaper. But what I'm trying to do at the moment is get this ridge sort of shaped up a little bit. I'm using one of my myriad of my collection of rotary tools, because I used to be a dental technician. I had my own company. These ones here as well, they're sort of stones and tungstens. That was the diamonds, and here we have rubber wheels, and mops and things. As you can see, I've got quite a varied selection here. I've got diamond discs. This part here, I've got cutting discs. Yeah, just sort of quite a good varied selection. So what I was going to do is show you what I'm doing this. My controller for my marathon handpiece decided to blow up and die one day, so a neighbour of mine had a way I can connect it up to this power supply I plug in, so this is why it's a plugged in power supply. And yeah, I'm just sort of lots of this really. If I go from this side, then I can burr over the. There is a tiny little gap, but I have been able to make it disappear in some places. I'm going to have a bit of a problem with here because I made it very. I went a bit mad with my angle grinder, and it's only aluminium, so it's quite light, and sort of took it down a bit too far there. But I'm going to try and even it up as I go along. Over. That's quite a large one I'm using there. I've got various other sizes of stone wheels that I can sort of reduce down, go down in size until I eventually end up with a nice smooth angle there. I think I need to do a little bit more work to the point, but so yeah, I'm going to do that. This side, as I say, is going to be a bit more work. It's actually going a lot quicker than I thought it would be. And for the handle, I've got this kid's sword that I have. It's got kind of a Crusader cross on there, but I'm going to have to take this pommel off, cut round and take that off and turn it round so the cross is in the right orientation. It's kind of, I've seen these on eBay actually, as being sold as like sort of with a different blade, but these handles with some more refined work, and I think there was a cross on these. So maybe someone's taken their design and just duplicated it and turned it into this kid's sword, or the other way round. They've taken this kid's sword, and which is probably the way round it happened actually, and taken it and made it look better, and turned it into something they sell on eBay for 20 quid, 30 quid or whatever. It's a bit of a spray job. But yeah, so what I've got to do with this is obviously get this in here somehow. So it's going to be a nice proportions sized sword, I think, by the end of it. And then I'm going to make a vegan friendly sheath as well, a scabbard for it. And I'm going to fill this up with lead as much as I can, just to get the weight, but it's going to be really light anyway. But yeah, it's for the looks really. I just want it to a wall hanger really. I'm not going to go out fighting with it. I'll try and sharpen it up a little bit. You can see I've already got a bit of an edge around here, but that's going to take some sandpaper, I think. And but yeah, anyway, there's my sword. I'll keep you updated with what I'm doing, and thank you very much to the person who supplied the metal. I've managed to. Well, I've got a lot further than I thought I would get, because I didn't want to actually make a video with this, because I thought it was just going to be like balls up. I'm actually quite pleased with how it's going, to be honest. And yeah, aluminium. So it's going to have an aluminium coloured sword. I don't care. Sort of polish it up and give it a nice, as much of a shine as possible, and then that'll be my sword. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice day, and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and press the bell button for bell thing for there's my lead. Oh yeah. What's this on the bottom here? I'm going to save this. cast this in lead. The Firebird Rebel Designs logos for. I'll keep that. I'm not going to use that as scrap. Yeah, I had a bit of fun trying to cast lead. Little bits of lead there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.